PGY stock analysis and price predictions for, that's Monday next week. Is Pagaya technology stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. And having done well over 43,000 videos, I can tell you that I'm the only guy in this space that's done this amount of volume. In 5 years straight up recording, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. PGY especially, I like it because, you know, I'm still quite bullish. And how all this would look like is, I think, I mean, not that I think, I hope I see some corrections down so I can take it further up and buy. Because if the price doesn't sort of pull, it shows me no sort of double break, then why the heck would I be buying? I'll be just buying freaking dust, just trying to be involved in that FOMO, you know, starts to freaking kick in. But other than that, if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. Obviously, we'll continue to keep you updated. And really nothing else that I'll be adding here. So that's that. Let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get, again, the free sauce and all that good jazz, first link below. You know where to find it.